I called the main headquarters of Affinity by Canva to book a seat in their studio. Affinity told me that you can still work with us. All you need to do is to create your own studio. I'm just kidding. I never called them. I want to show you how you can create your own studio in Affinity by Canva. Simple and convenient. When you open your software, just as you are seeing here, there's this three dots you see here. You just click on it. The moment you click on it, it gives you this pop-up menu. We need to look for this guy, create studio, so you can see it right here. It gives you this pop-up menu where it's asking for the name of your studio, so you just type in the name of your studio. You can choose a picture. You can just select any picture you want. So if it's this picture, I just select it. You can add a description to it. When you have everything sorted out, you can choose the color you want, click on create, and it will create your own studio. You'll see the name, you'll see the picture. When I switch to this, everything changes. You could tell the difference. Something changed in here. When I switch back, you can see the tools changed. I mostly find myself using the Vector and Pixel Studio. In my own studio, I need to link tools in the Vector Studio as well as the Pixel Studio. This is how you can customize the tools you need here. I have these three dots right here. It says customize tools. I click on it and then it gives me this tools that I can customize. I need something. I can type this. Let's assume the artboard tool, it's not there. I drag this and I drop it here. It gets rid of the tool in toolbar. I need this artboard tool back into my toolbar. I click and drag and drop it like this. That is how you can drag and drop tools that you need. This is not the only thing you can do in the studio. You can also create shortcuts on this rectangle space here. Right click on this portion and then customize toolbar. So for example, let's say I want to have this tool right in there. I want to add this shortcut tool into this toolbar here. Though I have it right here, I drag and then I drop it in there. This is how you can customize shortcuts in your own studio. If you have so many tools in here, don't worry. You just click on this arrow and then it houses the remaining tools on your toolbar. I want to change the position of my own studio. I click on the three dots. I drag this all the way to the top. The moment I do that, it changes its position from the right side to the left side. This is how you can create and have full control of your own studio in Affinity by Canva. Since I have my own studio in Affinity by Canva, I want to edit this picture here slightly a bit. I want to use the adjustment tool, so I select this layer. The action I want to perform on this image is to use curves. I drop this arrow down and then curves. I am painting white on black. The reason why I'm painting white on black is because I'm painting over the shadows. I want to review the shadows, and if I switch to this, it means I'm painting black on white, meaning I am revealing highlight or anything which is bright. So I switch to this and then I start painting over it. You can tell the difference. So let me show you the before and after. This is the before and then this is the after. So you can tell the difference. You can tell the difference. This looks better, and then I can adjust the points I created. I can just drag the point till it looks perfect for my satisfaction. The next thing I will do is to merge it into a complete picture. So I can merge it like this. So it's now part of this image. When I turn it off, it's now a complete image. The next thing I want to do is to enhance the beauty of this image using Vibrance. Change it from curves to Vibrance. So I can start painting over it to look like this. All right, so now I have full control. This is how fast and easy you can work with your own studio in Affinity by Canva. If you found this video very helpful, don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification, like, share, and you can leave your comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.